Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to repurpose this book that I got from the thrift store. I learned this technique from another channel from Miss Sherry, and we're going to make a journal out of it. So I'm starting with wallpaper sheet from the Dollar Tree, okay? But before we get into all that, if you're new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider liking the video, sharing out the video, and smashing that subscribe button. For returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam. All right, y'all. So I have already spared y'all, and I've cut it from around here. Hopefully, I cut it right because y'all already know. Okay, so I've torn everything out of this book. I've tried to get everything that I possibly could get off of this book, and it started where it was cutting, so I'm just going to leave it, okay? But I have some Sign World tape, okay? And what I'm going to do excuse me, y'all, is I'm just going to stick it like so. I'm going to use my finger blade so I don't cut my finger off first. And then we're just going to tear this piece off. And I'm just going to kind of lay it back right there just so we're not, we're not wasting tape. But it's probably easier if you do it this way versus trying to just cut it off. All right. So this is what we're looking like. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it to be close enough, okay? And on this last roll. So what I'm gonna do is peel this backer off, y'all, and try not to cut myself. Okay. Peel this backer off and try not to cut myself. That's the goal, okay? And it's really not that difficult to get this off. Just find you, but it is sticky, and that's what you want, okay? It is sticky, that's what you want. Oh my Lord. Okay. So be careful with, because as you can see, it'll stick to you. And I'm just going to ease another little piece right here. Cut that off. Ouch. That tape kind of hurt, y'all. All right. So anywho, this is what we're looking like. Remember, you're not going to see that, so we're not going to worry about that too tough. And then I'm going to just lay another piece right here as straight as I can. And you definitely want to be careful with that finger blade, okay? All right, so here we go. I'm going to slice that little piece off. Peel this up. All right, so there's that, right? Let's close our finger blade back up for safety. All right. And then this is the pattern wallpaper that we're going to be using, okay? So all you're going to do is a peel and stick. It's a peel and stick, okay? And you can just use your finger blade. Be careful. When doing so. All right, then once you get it going, you're just going to peel the entire backing off. And I got a piece of tape, of course, stuck to me, so now I feel all right. Now let's see if we can line this up, guys. Now we will have a little, I missed it. I'm a little short right there, but it's gonna be okay. Okay. It's going to, no, we're gonna have to add. So what I'm gonna do, I didn't bring it further enough over. Okay. So I'm going to just see if I can. There we go. And you can definitely, you know, straighten that up, cut it off, all of that. We'll do that. Closer toward the end. And all I'm going to do is just kind of mash this over because I used another piece. But normally, you just leave the whole thing on there. But I thought I was skilled enough to do that. But as y'all can see, I am not. Okay. And you can cut this off or you can fold it over. I'm just going to fold it over because as we can see, my cutting skills are not there. Okay. And I'm just trying to, you know, even that up right in there. So that's what we're looking like so far. Now, we're going to bring in another piece of, I think this is it. Is this it? Now, this did not come from the Dollar Tree right here, but it's another piece of peel and stick. And we're just going to go for it. Don't be like me. Make sure that yours is even, okay? I just wanted to test this out. But this is a peel and stick from Amazon. If you're interested in the pattern, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Ooh, that has a strong, like, odor to it. Oh, Lord, have mercy when you're trying to, we're going to cut this part off. I'm gonna cut that part right there off. All right, so you want to make sure that you lay this, you know, evenly and smooth, okay? And then all I'm gonna do is, all right, there's like a already natural line right there. So we'll, we'll press that in. And I'm just doing this so that you can make sure all of your wallpaper gets in there, right? All right, so this is what we have. Again, make sure yours is even, because you don't want yours to be uneven like mine, but it's okay. First time trying paper product, doing a paper craft, so I'm expecting hiccups. All right. All right. And okay. So this is what we're looking like so far. Okay. And again, you do want to make sure that this is laid as possible, flat as possible. Okay. All right. So and you just want to kind of mash everything together. So you end up with something like this, okay? You got a cover on the outside and you got cover on the inside. Now, I have cut paper to the best of my ability, okay? So what we're going to do is figure out which end of this all right, y'all. So I think I got a wee bit too much paper in here, so we're going to take some of this out. And there's like no, real certain number that I could say use, because it goes based on the book that you're using. I think I'm going to turn these on the other side and see what we get. This glue, y'all. And like I said, you definitely want to make sure that your paper is even as well. So this is what we are looking like so far. This paper is going to stick out a little bit because it is not even like I want it to be. Because, hey, your girl cannot cut straight to save her life. All right, but you're going to tap it down. Then get you some glue. And you're going to put some glue in this spine. Okay. You can use craft glue, whatever kind of glue you want to use, that's what kind of glue you use, okay? Then I'm going to tap this down like so. And we already know that it's not even and it's going to stick out. We know that, okay? But we're going to pretend that it's even and we're going to carry on. And then you're just gonna, okay? And you want to be careful because if I'd have had these even, we wouldn't worry about a paper cut so much. But because I don't, I'm going to wipe this glue off on this little piece of backing that I have over here. All right. And you are going to lay this down like so, okay? Gonna lift one side of it up like that. And you're gonna tap. And then what you are going to do, because this is going to take 24 hours to dry at least, okay? I'm going to redo this project, but I'm probably going to have somebody else with a steady hand cut my paper because, yeah, your girl don't have a steady hand. All right, so without having a steady hand, get somebody else to cut it for you. You want to knock it down, tap it around, all of the things. And I'm even probably going to put a clip on here as well. So one here, and one in the middle. And then I got the two on the edges. And yeah, y'all. And then you can put something right here on the front. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you guys something else that I did. Okay. So these are from the Dollar Tree. If you are interested in learning how to make these, you can. And this is out of, I made this out of sticker paper as well. Okay. And then I'm going to put something right here on the front. And then when you open it up, you got two pads with little sayings on them. So I'll probably put a little saying on this one. So yeah, we're gonna dig into paper crafting. All right, y'all. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this tutorial, learned how to do something different, and yeah, we'll go from there. So until then, and you want to also, before we do that, you want to make sure that, that you are, look at there, not getting the glue everywhere, wiping it off, and the glue dries clear. That's another thing you want to make sure. Whatever glue you get dries clear. So until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Let me know if y'all want to try this. Until next time, bye guys.